Anger Management Mastery, your comprehensive guide to mastering your emotions and finding inner peace. Chapter 1, Understanding Anger. In this chapter, we will delve into the nature of anger, exploring its origins, triggers, and effects on our physical and mental health. We will discuss the evolutionary purpose of anger, as well as common misconceptions about anger. Understanding the different types of anger and their root causes will be a crucial step in learning how to manage and cope with this powerful emotion. Chapter 2, Recognizing Your Anger Triggers. In this chapter, we will explore the various triggers that can set off anger in different individuals. We will discuss internal and external triggers, such as unmet needs, unrealistic expectations, past traumas, and environmental factors. Identifying your specific anger triggers will allow you to develop self-awareness and better understand why and when anger arises in your life. Chapter 3, The Physiology of Anger. In this chapter, we will explore the physiological responses that occur in our bodies when we experience anger. We will discuss the impact of stress hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol, on our bodies, and how they can affect our physical health. We will also delve into the connection between anger and other physical symptoms, such as headaches, high blood pressure, and gastrointestinal issues. Chapter 4, The Psychological Impact of Anger. In this chapter, we will explore the psychological effects of anger on our mental health and well-being. We will discuss the impact of anger on our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, and how it can lead to negative patterns and consequences in our relationships, work, and overall quality of life. We will also delve into the link between anger and mental health disorders, such as depression and anxiety. Chapter 5, Strategies for Managing Anger in the Moment. In this chapter, we will explore practical strategies for managing anger in the heat of the moment. We will discuss techniques for calming down, such as deep breathing, mindfulness, and progressive muscle relaxation. We will also explore strategies for expressing anger assertively and effectively, such as using I statements, active listening, and conflict resolution skills. Chapter 6, Cognitive Strategies for Managing Anger. In this chapter, we will delve into cognitive strategies for managing anger by addressing the thoughts and beliefs that fuel it. We will explore cognitive restructuring techniques that involve identifying and challenging irrational thoughts, changing negative self-talk, and reframing situations in a more balanced and realistic manner. We will also discuss the role of self-compassion, empathy, and forgiveness in managing anger. Chapter 7, Managing Anger in Relationships. In this chapter, we will explore how anger can impact our relationships with others, and strategies for managing anger in interpersonal interactions. We will discuss effective communication skills, such as active listening, assertiveness, and conflict resolution, as well as strategies for setting healthy boundaries and managing difficult relationships. We will also delve into the importance of empathy, compassion, and forgiveness in building healthy relationships and resolving conflicts. Chapter 8, Anger Management Strategies for the Long Term. In this chapter, we will explore long-term strategies for managing anger and maintaining emotional well-being. We will discuss the importance of self-care, stress management, and healthy coping mechanisms in preventing anger from becoming a chronic issue. We will also explore the role of healthy lifestyle habits, such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep, in managing anger and promoting overall well-being. Chapter 9, Anger Management for Specific Populations. In this chapter, we will explore how anger can manifest differently in specific populations, such as children, adolescents, adults, and older adults. We will discuss age-specific strategies for managing anger and promoting healthy emotional regulation. We will also delve into cultural and gender differences in the expression and management of anger, and how to navigate these nuances in a respectful and inclusive manner. Chapter 10. Managing anger in high-stress situations. In this chapter, we will explore strategies for managing anger in high-stress situations, such as at work, in traffic, or during emergencies. We will discuss techniques for maintaining composure, staying focused, and making rational decisions when faced with stressful circumstances that can trigger anger. We will also delve into strategies for self-care and stress reduction in high-stress environments to prevent anger from escalating. Chapter 11. Dealing with anger in yourself and others. In this chapter, we will explore strategies for dealing with anger in both yourself and others. We will discuss techniques for self-reflection, self-regulation, and self-soothing to prevent anger from escalating. We will also delve into strategies for effectively responding to others who are angry, including active listening, empathy, and de-escalation techniques. We will discuss ways to set healthy boundaries and communicate assertively while maintaining respect and empathy towards others. Chapter 12. Addressing underlying issues. In this chapter, we will discuss the importance of addressing underlying issues that may contribute to anger, such as unresolved past traumas, unmet needs, or other emotional and psychological issues. We will explore the benefits of seeking professional help, such as therapy or counseling, to work through these underlying issues and develop healthy coping mechanisms. We will also discuss the importance of self-reflection, self-awareness, and self-growth in the journey towards mastering anger management. Chapter 13. Practicing self-compassion and forgiveness. In this chapter, we will delve into the importance of self-compassion and forgiveness in the process of managing anger. We will explore techniques for practicing self-compassion, such as self-care, self-validation, and self-forgiveness. We will also discuss the process of forgiveness, both towards oneself and others, as a means of letting go of anger and moving towards healing and emotional well-being. Chapter 14. Maintaining consistency and accountability. In this chapter, we will discuss the importance of maintaining consistency and accountability in managing anger. We will explore strategies for creating healthy habits, setting realistic goals, and holding oneself accountable for managing anger in an ongoing and sustainable manner. We will also discuss the importance of self-reflection, self-monitoring, and seeking support from trusted individuals or professionals to stay on track in the journey towards mastering anger management. Chapter 15. Cultivating inner peace. In this final chapter, we will explore the concept of inner peace and how it relates to managing anger. We will discuss the benefits of mindfulness, meditation, and other relaxation techniques in cultivating inner peace and maintaining emotional balance. We will also delve into the importance of self-care, self-awareness, and self-growth in the journey towards finding inner peace and living a fulfilling, anger-free life. Conclusion. In this concluding chapter, we will summarize the key points discussed throughout the book and highlight the importance of consistent practice and self-reflection in mastering anger management. We will reiterate the benefits of understanding the nature of anger, recognizing triggers, implementing practical strategies, addressing underlying issues, and cultivating self-compassion and forgiveness. We will also emphasize the importance of seeking professional help when needed and maintaining accountability in the journey towards finding inner peace and mastering anger management. With the knowledge and practical strategies provided in this comprehensive guide, you now have the tools to effectively manage your anger, build healthy relationships, and achieve emotional well-being. Remember, mastering anger management is a continuous process that requires self-awareness, practice, and self-compassion. By implementing the strategies discussed in this book and committing to your personal growth, you can overcome anger, find inner peace, and lead a more fulfilling and peaceful life. We hope that this audio ebook has provided you with valuable insights and practical strategies to manage anger effectively. Remember, managing anger is a skill that can be developed with practice and self-awareness. It's okay to make mistakes and slip up along the way, but the key is to keep learning and growing. In conclusion, anger is a natural human emotion that can be managed and channeled in healthy ways. By understanding the triggers, addressing underlying issues, implementing practical strategies, and cultivating self-compassion and forgiveness, you can take control of your anger and prevent it from negatively impacting your life and relationships. We encourage you to take the knowledge and tools provided in this audio ebook and apply them to your daily life. Practice self-reflection, self-regulation, and self-care consistently. Seek support from trusted individuals or professionals when needed. And remember to be patient and kind to yourself as you embark on this journey towards mastering anger management. Thank you for choosing this audio ebook on anger management. We hope that it has been a valuable resource for you. May you find inner peace, healthier relationships, and emotional well-being as you continue on your path towards effective anger management. Best of luck on your journey.